National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Clay County in northern Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just northeast of Henrietta, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henrietta, Ryan, and Terrell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.